U.S. and Chinese trade representatives are meeting in Geneva this weekend to discuss the ongoing trade war. Many economists worried that the tariffs President Donald Trump implemented will mean higher costs for goods all around the world. Jen Sullivan.
To understand why prices change, we first need to understand where that journey begins. But the real cost isn't always obvious. It travels quietly through one of the world's largest supply chains. A single government decision can change the price of thousands of products, almost overnight. And by the time it reaches your local store, the price may have already changed. Every product starts somewhere. Long before it reaches your shopping cart, it's manufactured inside factories producing millions of goods every single day.